How to fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone iOS 17. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open this option Cellular. Now head towards the option of Network selection, toggle off for this option of Automatic. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it on. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Next Solution, go back, open this option Cellular Data Options, open this option Voice and Data. Set it to 5G and then toggle on for this option of VoLTE. Now head back, toggle off for this option of low data mode. Now head back, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down, open this option of general, scroll all the way down, head towards this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings. Now over here you will need to type in your passcode to continue with the process. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to eject your SIM card and reinsert it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix 5G LTE not working on iPhone iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.